Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, we are going to be reviewing a beauty subscription box. This right here is the Kinder Beauty box. This box was sent to me, so thank you so much to Kinder Beauty for working with me on today's video. I am super excited about it. So this is what the box looks like right here. I'm pretty sure you guys know how beauty subscription boxes work. If you don't, I will be talking a little bit more about that and getting into some more detail. But I actually have not opened this product yet, so I wanted to sit down and film what's inside, get my first impression, and then later on tonight I'm going to be filming little portions for this video so you guys can actually see what the products look like up close, how they apply depending on what exactly is in here. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and open up this box. Before we do, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys have not already. And of course, without further ado, if you would like to see everything that came in this box, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so let's get into the box. I haven't even opened it, I just kind of like broke the tape, but I haven't physically like opened it completely. So let's open it together. So here's what it looks like when you actually go ahead and open up the box. You guys can see here, it says Kinder Beauty box. Very, very cute. I actually really love the design of the box. I feel like it fits my aesthetic so well. Right at the top, I see a little book and just a little bit of information about the brand itself, what to expect and everything like that. So you literally have a booklet with any information you may need. This will definitely answer any questions that you might have. So that is amazing. Let's see what else. So inside this pamphlet, it actually tells you what each product is. That is phenomenal. And I love the fact that they actually included prices. And you guys, this box right here is $23 a month, which is such a steal. And I actually have a discount code as well. If you guys are interested in getting one of these boxes for yourself, you can use the code TATANISHA50 and get 50% off your first box, which is insane. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the box. So the first thing that I see right here, these are the Bright Eye Mask. They help to depuff and brighten your under eye. Here's what they look like. You guys can see them right here. I love me a good eye patch, especially in the morning or even on days where I'm feeling a little tired. I feel like my eyes look a little puffy and I just need a quick pick-me-up. I feel like eye patches like these are always amazing. So this comes in the box. The next thing in here is a little scrunchie, which we love. I mean, who doesn't love a hair tie? Ooh, it feels really nice and silky, and it's actually very stretchy, which I love because I have thin hair, but I have a lot of it, and it's really difficult sometimes for me to find something that actually holds my hair. So let's see what's special about that hair tie. So it's from the brand Moonlit Skincare. It's actually a bamboo silk scrunchie. It retails for $10. So it's not supposed to leave any ridges in your hair, and it also does not cause any breakage. So that is amazing. We love that. The next product in here is Earth Harbor. Never heard of this brand. I actually have never heard of any of these brands, so I'm very excited to try these. This is called the Mermaid Milk. It actually has spirulina and matcha. You guys, I'm obsessed with matcha, so I'm very excited. I've never tried it in my skincare before. This is the Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. So the brand Earth Harbor is plant-based. It has no GMOs. It's vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable. It also has no gluten added, no soy added, and also it is female-owned. You guys, I have to show you the box up close. Where it says woman owned, it has a really cute mermaid. I'm obsessed with that, and who does not want to support a female-owned brand? Like, come on now. There's actually a lot of stuff in here. The next thing in this box is this right here. This is the Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum. It's vegan, it's natural, and you use it at night. So it says that this oil contains an antioxidant blend of fatty acid oils that's going to help to keep your skin hydrated throughout the nights. So it says that you actually apply 2 to 3 drops before bed, warming it between the palms of your hands and patting it onto the face and neck. So this is what the oil looks like. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys up close shots, but I'm very excited for this. I live for a really nice, hydrating, moisturizing face oil, so I'm very excited to apply that to my skin. And then we do have one more product in the box. So the next and last thing in the box is this Hawaiian Beauty Water. I'm very intrigued by this. Not really sure what it is, so let's figure it out right now. That's why I actually love that this box comes with this booklet, because I feel like it gives you an insight of exactly what's in here. So if you're not sure, you can just go ahead and open up your book and see exactly what it is. So this right here is the Hawaiian Beauty Water. It retails for $18. It says tone, tighten, and chill all at the same time. There's ingredients like aloe, witch hazel that help to fight blemishes and inflammation. There's also Hawaiian sandalwood, neroli, and blue tansy, I believe it's pronounced, that come together for a calming, fresh scent. I'm very excited for that. I'm actually going to spray just a little bit in the air so I can smell it because I'm kind of curious to what the smell smells like. Oh, you guys, it smells so good. All right, you guys, so that is everything inside this Kinder Beauty box. So when you go ahead and actually calculate the box itself, everything comes out to $129. I did the calculation on my phone, which is insane because this box is only $23, but you are getting some amazing products in here. Sometimes it's skincare, sometimes it's makeup, sometimes it's hair care. Like I said, if you guys are interested and you do want to try your own box, they were kind enough to give me a discount code to share with you. So code TATANISHA50 will save you 50% off of your first box. So I definitely recommend that you guys check them out. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much to Kinder Beauty Box for working with me on today's video. And of course, as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.